There's pros and cons to having a hamster as a pet. We'll talk about how to care for these guys and some of the things you want to watch out for. This is a female dwarf hamster. A lot of times people get one hamster, not two. After a couple of weeks, they really bond with humans. It does take a couple of weeks to bond. In that time before they're tamed, they could bite or snip a little bit. Once they're tamed, that'll stop. Hamsters can be really active at night. That means when you're trying to sleep, they're not. That means when you're sleeping, they're going to be scratching around, running on that wheel. Most people would consider a hamster a starter pet. This doesn't mean you can neglect a hamster. These little guys chew on everything in their cage. The cage needs to be cleaned out every week, including replacing the bedding. They need fresh food and water all the time. As you can see from this one, these guys need a lot of exercise. Hamster wheels and hamster balls are kind of fun. These guys really like the attention and the exercise. Once they're tamed, they're really affectionate. The cost of a hamster is relatively low. They can help teach a child responsibility. They typically live 2 to 3 years. If they escape from their cage, they're going to be hard to find. As you can see, there's a lot of pros and cons to these hamsters. You want to make sure you know both before bringing them home. They're very lovable creatures. They don't take up a lot of space, but they're not a toy you can just put away in your closet. If you have any thoughts or good advice, please leave them in the comments below.